Hello viewer, I am Marco and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will present another unboxing, but that is of Overracing Full Exhaust System for Kawasaki Ninja 300. Yes, you heard right, it is Overracing Full Exhaust System for Kawasaki Ninja 300. I was waiting for this product for a long time. It was launched in India with tying up with Kawasaki in 2019, but I have got my hands finally on Overracing Full Exhaust System in 2020. I was astonished to see such a tiny box. I confirmed from Overracing that if it is only the slip-on or the full exhaust system, but they said no sir, it is the full exhaust system. They have been packed in several parts. So now I will share with you what parts are inside this tiny package, and then you decide whether to go for this Overracing full exhaust system for Kawasaki Ninja 300 or not. I have just opened the box. Now I will show you what else inside this box we are getting. So I believe this is the muffler. We are getting some muffler hanger or the muffler holder. Okay, we are getting this middle pipe. This is the header pipe, you can see. So this header pipe will be attached on the engine head. Now it's time to open the packet of these three items, and then I will show you how they exactly look like. I will start with the muffler first. Wow, oh, this is lovely. Oh my god, I can't believe that this muffler is in my hands, man. Oh, fantastic. You can see it's written like TT run through with this great power, then Overracing designed in Japan. The quality is extremely good, no doubt about that. Oh, wow, what a piece. My goodness, my goodness. Finish is spot on. So after this muffler, I am going to open this packet. It includes total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 springs, and here it is the rubber support inside muffler hanger or the muffler holder. So it will be installed like this in your bike. So Overracing says it is made up of stainless steel, and I believe that because it is so lightweight but strong, and this property can be achieved only with stainless steel material. So you stay assured that this is a stainless steel pipe. Now I will open this header pipe also. Header pipe also comes in two parts. Now you can understand how Overracing manages to pack the entire full system in so tiny box. Now here in front of you is the full exhaust system for my Kawasaki Ninja 300 from Overracing Japan. So once again, quickly I will introduce you with all these components. So this is the muffler, this is the header pipe, this is the center pipe, this is the muffler holder or the muffler adapter or the muffler hanger, and here are total 5 springs. So I will show you where the springs will fit it. One here, another one is here, number 2, then one will be here, from here to here, 3, and remaining 2 will be here, from here to here, like this. So here and here. So there are total 5 springs provided for 5 separate locations. So here is the full exhaust system from Overracing. I have unboxed it in front of you. I hope you have liked this video. Now as usual, I will request you, please subscribe to my channel. Tap on the notification icon to be notified regarding my next video on installation of Overracing full exhaust system in my Kawasaki Ninja 300. If you like the video, then please share the video with your friends and family members. And if you have anything to know from me regarding this, then feel free to put your comments in the comment box below. And I have purchased this product from Bike Factory, Delhi. The contact details, everything is appearing on your screen right now. So for the last time, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video till the end.